How you going, guys? Sammy here again, and I'm back with part 3 of the fire starting hack videos. Now, after the last 2, it turns out you guys are all firebugs. Either that, or you've been caught fireless a few times before. Now this one, we're going to use a common bathroom product. Now, cotton wool balls. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've had this packet in my bathroom for about 10 years now. I have absolutely no idea what these guys are for. Like, what do people use them for? I've got no idea. I've never used them. I just take them to light fires with. But yeah, if anyone knows what they're actually for or what you use them for, chuck it in the comments below, because yeah, it's got me stumped. Regardless of that, they make wicked fire lighters. Now, usually when I'm out hiking or something like that, I'll take a little Ziploc bag like this, jam a few in there, and I know I'll be able to get a fire started no matter what. Now, they are super light, so perfect for hiking. But we got a fire here. I'm going to do some cooking soon, so I need to get a fire going. We're going to use these guys. So what I usually do is I grab a forked stick like that, jam a few in there like so, light her up and chuck them in. Let's give it a crack. Watch how quickly these guys go up. All right, in she goes. We should have a fire in no time. Up flames. Well, there you go, guys. Cotton wool balls. Not just for the bathroom or whatever you use them for. Great fire starters. Cheers.